So I realised that I never mentioned anything about what this vlog is, why I filmed it and what we're doing. So basically me and Mac went camping and I didn't film us putting the tent up because that was actually a disaster because we had never put a tent up before, and a lovely lady next to us, a lady on her own, you can see the frogs moving. Sorry if that creeps anyone out. Lovely lady in the tent next to us actually had to help us because we had no clue, and we had to ask her if we can borrow her mallet because of course we didn't have anything. So we put the tent up and then we went on a long ass 6-mile walk across the coast to get to a pub to eat dinner, and I was knackered. Oh my god. So I filmed some clips of that, so that is what you'll see now, and then I might do a voiceover of the rest of it, if you're lucky. Your buckets? Yep. Where are we trying to get to? That little house? All the way over there? So this was me showing you the tent in the night, looking all cute. We had little candles, like battery ones, that I used, and I think it looked so cute. This is going to be my torch. Oh, here we go. I can see you. Oh, Legion. Oh, there's our tent. Hi, tent. You look really sad. What did you have for breakfast?
Everything.
Nice sandwich. And what have I got? Cheese and crackers. I had a nice breakfast sandwich, and he's left me with ham and crackers.
Hey, there's bread down there.
And bread and apple juice. And dog food. Oh, I just dropped the ham. He did also then take me to the pub, drove me to the pub, so we didn't walk for an hour and a half. Drove me to the pub and got a sausage sandwich for me, so we can't really complain, can we? Huh? No. I am now. That wasn't very good. What's that face for?
Drop it then.
Ready? Oh, ah! I just got loads of sand in my face. she went the wrong way and got confused.
Where have you come? Come on. Hello. Mummy's being a bitch. If Mummy wants pizza, she better let me out. Fucking hell.
Climb over.
Babe, I can't fucking climb.
Climb over.
Oh, you've locked yourself in there. You got yourself out.
Funny story about this. He locked himself in the boot. I then went to go and help him, and I left the dog bowl outside with the water in it. We drove away, forgot all about it, then realised that I'd left the dog bowl there. And we drove all the way back, and luckily it was still there. So he made me run out and get the dog bowl. I had no shoes on. And then I tipped the water out and had to jump over it. I looked like such an idiot, oh my God. And he's talking about me wanting pizza. Yeah, we drove all the way back to the pizza place. Got there, paid for parking, walked there. They'd run out of food. They'd run out of food. It was 4 p.m. and they'd run out of food. They had a sign up saying, sorry, ran out of food. So, what did we end up getting? Oh, we ended up getting a Domino's. So we still got pizza, but we ended up getting a Domino's. This was the end of the camping vlog. I literally didn't film much at all. Like, me and Mac was saying that we hardly even took any pictures or anything, like. Now we go on to us eating in a cafe. It was disgusting. My brownie was, I feel like I'm complaining about everything, aren't I? I'm a really grateful person, I promise. But my brownie was just so rich, and I got strawberry milkshake, or strawberry frappe as they called it, and they actually blended strawberries, so it tasted like a smoothie. So I was eating a smoothie with a whipped cream, and it just tasted really weird. And then you see Matt getting his new phone. This is literally from like a week, like, and there's literally no footage. Like, I was so excited to go camping and film it, and I didn't film anything. But yeah, enjoy the video. Enjoy the rest of the video. Dogs are welcomed in here. It says dogs welcomed. Do you want to show us all your new phone?
I can show you my new phone.
Woo! Look at that.
Got a sexy baby.
Wow. Better phone than me now.
Finally.
Finally. Bye to this little one.
This little beauty.
Don't show card details.
Not do that. Don't know.